morning. Welcome back to Vox Academy. Today we'll be talking about is still transportation engineering. This is the second calculation on transportation engineering. The last one we did was on transportation engineering, how to calculate the horizontal single lane for pavement. So today we'll be dealing with another one. The question says a group of students stand beside Poly Road to count the numbers of vehicles from 1 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. They counted a total of 800 vehicles before they left. What was the traffic flow on the road? If they further observed that 5 vehicles were running at 25 km per hour, 30 km per hour, 34 km per hour, 34 km per hour, and 45 km per hour respectively, determine the time mean speed and the space mean speed of the vehicle. First of all, solution. Don't forget, in my last class I said in this kind of a question we have to list out the parameters for solving them. We have the numbers of vehicles, which is from 1 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. The next one, we have the total numbers of vehicles. The total numbers of vehicles is 800. They said if they further observe that 5 vehicles were running at a speed of 25 km per hour, we have to list down 5 vehicles. We have 25 km per hour. We have 30 km per hour. We have 34 km per hour. We have 34 km per hour. And we have 45 km per hour. They said determine the time mean speed and the space mean speed of the vehicle. That is time mean speed, space mean speed of the vehicle. First of all, I know we don't know the meaning of time mean speed and space mean speed. Let me give us the definition of time mean speed. Time mean speed is the average distance, is the average distance a vehicle is the average distance of a vehicle passing a point on the highway at a specific period of time. And the formula for the time mean speed formula, we have summation VI over N. Your N stands for the total average and your VI stands for the numbers of stands for the kilometer. Let's put it that way, the numbers of vehicles per lane, that is kilometer per hour. While your space mean speed is also the average distance of a vehicle occupying a point on the highway at a specific period of time. And the formula also is, we have N over summation of 1 over VI. That is the formula. Now, since we have the formulas, we have our parameters, which is the first one, the second one, the third one. We can continue with our calculations. Now, first of all, we have to convert our time. That is, we have from 1 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. and this converting this now will give us 2 hours 45 minutes. We are not done. We have to convert the minute also. That is 2 hours 45 divided by 60. Let's press it in our calculator. We have, that is 45 divided by 60. We have 0.75. That is 2 plus 0.75. That is 2 plus 0.75. 2.75. 2.75. We've done that one now. We've converted it already. Now it's for us to move from the total numbers of vehicle. Don't forget, in our question they said we have total numbers of vehicle is 800. That is total numbers of vehicle. Total numbers of vehicle is 800 divided by 2.75. Let's go back to our calculator. We have, go to your long division sign, 800 divided by 2.75. We have 290.91. That is our answer for the total numbers of vehicle. And now they said determine the time mean speed. Don't forget, in our definition of time mean speed, they said is the average distance of a vehicle passing a point on the highway to a specific period of time. And this is the formula, summation VI over N. That is what we are going to use now. Time mean speed equals to summation of VI over N. The total numbers we have, we have 5. So we have our VI equals to 25 km per hour. We have 30 km per hour. We have 34 km per hour. We have 34 km per hour. And we have 45 km per hour. And we also have our N. When we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of vehicles are 5. So now it's for us to input this. We have summation VI over N equals to 25 plus 30 plus 34 plus 34 plus 45 divided by N, which is 5. So let's go back to our calculator. So we have 25 plus 30 plus 34 plus 34 plus 45. We have 168 equals to 168 divided by 5. 168 divided by 5. We have 33.6. That is the time mean speed of the vehicle. That is 33.6 km per hour. The next one we are asked to calculate is we've done this one now. We have 33.6 km per hour. The next one we are going to calculate is the space mean speed. Don't forget, I said the space mean speed is the average distance of a vehicle occupying a point on the highway at a specific period of time. This is the formula, N over summation of 1 over VI. So now we have the space mean speed. That is N. Solution is also the same thing. That is solution of this one is N over summation of 1 over VI. Don't forget our N is the 5. And we have the formula will be 5 over 1 over 25 plus 1 over 30 plus 1 over 34 plus 1 over 34 plus 1 over 45. Now let's go back again. If we don't want to waste our time, we can just input the whole of them in the calculator. We have 1 over 25 plus long division sign 1 over 30 plus long division sign 1 over 34. plus long division sign 1 over 34 plus long division sign we have 1 over 45. We have 0, that is 5 over 0.15437. So let's divide again. We have the long division sign 5 over 0.15437. Our answer is 32.389 kilometer per hour. We can as well approximate it. That will be 32.39. If you want to leave it that way, you can leave it that way. Anyhow you want to leave it. Or 32.4 kilometer per hour. Or you can leave it also that way, 32.3 kilometer per hour. Any way we want to solve it. So we have to go back again and 32.3 kilometer per hour. So in this question now, they said a group of students stand beside Poly Road to count the numbers of vehicles from 1 p.m. to 3:45 p.m. They counted a total of 800 vehicles before they left. What was the traffic flow on the road? If they further observed that 5 vehicles were running at 25 km per hour, 30 km per hour, 34 km per hour, 34 km per hour, and 45 km per hour, respectively, determine the timing speed and displacement speed. Don't forget I said in this kind of question, list out your parameters. Parameters can also be known as your information so that you will not be confused. And before I even started, I listed my parameters. I was able to give us the definition of time mean speed, and I was able to give us the definition of space mean speed, because without this definition we can't know what we are solving. And also I was able to give us the formula also, that this is the formula summation of Vi over n, and the formula for space mean speed is n over summation of 1 over Vi. And don't forget I was able to calculate my time, convert my time to hours. We have 2.75 total numbers of vehicle. That is 800 divided by 2.75. We have 290.91. I was able to calculate my time speed, summation of Vi over n. I listed my Vi, the kilometer per hour. We have everything. That is 25 plus 30 plus 34 plus 34 plus 45 divided by 5. I was able to calculate it and I get 168 divided by 5. That is 33.66 kilometer per hour when I converted it, divided it. And the space mean speed also, I was able to list out my parameters here. That is 5 over 1 over 25 plus 1 over 30 plus 1 over 34 plus 1 over 34 plus 1 over 45. That is 5 divided by 0.15437. And when I divided it, I was able to get 32.389 km per hour, or 32.39, or 32.4, or 33.3 km per hour. Don't forget, this is your final answer for solving this kind of calculation on transportation engineering. Don't forget to subscribe and to like and to share on this YouTube channel. I remain my humble self. My name is Victor Olamide from Vox Academy. Thank you.